Welcome to Geese 4x4, the most excursion related off-road channel in all the YouTube. And today I'm working on the bumper again because I can't leave stuff well enough alone. And I stared at it for a while and I realized that if I did some bending, I can make this thing give me a little bit more ground clearance. So here I am, I'm gonna make this happen. So I cut out these little triangles. This used to go right in there, and now, as you can tell, it doesn't quite fit in there anymore. So I'm bending this flat. It's going to give me about 1.5 inches of ground clearance, and then I've got to cut and mess with the sides, make them fit again, and it's going to be awesome. So I'll show you guys the progress. Well, there is what we have got. I have got it all welded up like I want. I just kind of stitched across on these to fill the hole. Didn't even fill it in there. These are the parts that I cut out of over here, and I just built little bridges, extra supports, welded it here, there, and yeah, this is going to be quite beefy and going to give a nice flat place instead of a catcher on the rocks. This is a flatter place, and I gained close to 1.5 inches of ground clearance, so pretty cool. Alrighty, well, I have been busy here. I got the center mounted back up, and I have cut what I want to cut off of these sides. So I ended up cutting about 2 inches, and I took it all the way around the corner and all the way back to the back. So I made it to where it's going to be forward from the tire another inch, and then that side is going to be up a little bit, and the front is like 2 inches taller. I gained ground clearance wise, my ground clearance before I think was 20.5 on the generous side, and now in the center on the front I am looking at 21.75 pretty much. So yeah, I gained 1.25 inches. So Pretty nice. And now it doesn't have anything to catch when you know, if you get locked on something. It's gonna be easier to back off instead of having that thing. So anyway, waiting for paint to dry here, and I'm gonna put these wings on and see what they look like. Alrighty, well, I got the bumper back on, and as you can see, it looks really long in the camera. It does stick out, but it doesn't stick out much more than the original one did, so I don't know. It's definitely better, got more ground clearance and stuff, looks a little bit more compact, so that's what I wanted. I still gotta finish painting it, just touching up everything that I screwed up messing with it. I only had a little fire. I was grinding and shooting into the toolbox and kept smelling something, going, why does that smell? So moral of the day, when you smell something, look around. We had a little bit of just char, just kind of trying to light, and so I just drenched them and go throw them away. Well, the trimming is complete. This thing looks a lot more compact to me. I know that from this angle you really can't tell, but from the bottom is where it matters, and yeah, it looks great. So anyway, I'm really happy with it. I'm happy with the way it came out. I'm sure that this is going to continue to get modified, as is everything else on this truck, but for now, still love the affordable off-road setup. I think they did a really nice job, and I'm just modifying it a little bit, making it better for my needs. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you got some value out of this content, you should subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see more about the Bob Excursion, you should definitely subscribe to the channel. Like this video. We will see you guys on the next one.